Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good barbecue sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients. A great sauce begins with a balanced foundation, combining sweet, tangy, and savory elements. Selecting high-quality components is crucial for achieving a rich and complex flavor. Don't forget to think about adding a smoky touch for extra depth. Now, let's explore flavor profiles and how to customize your sauce. Different vinegars, such as apple cider or white vinegar, offer distinct levels of tanginess. You can adjust the sweetness with brown sugar, rich molasses, or natural honey. Don't be afraid to incorporate a variety of spices like smoked paprika, chili powder, and fresh garlic for a unique taste. Next, we'll cover cooking techniques and achieving the perfect consistency. Simmer your sauce gently for a minimum of 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to fully meld together. Remember to stir frequently to prevent any sticking and ensure even cooking. You can adjust the thickness by either reducing the sauce or adding a little more liquid. Finally, let's talk about storage, usage, and some extra tips. Store your delicious homemade barbecue sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. For best results, apply the sauce during the last 15 minutes of cooking to prevent it from burning. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing homemade barbecue sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.